Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application and then click this What's on Your Mind, or you can go to your profile and click this What's on Your Mind. Now here, post anything you want, and then you have to make sure that for privacy, you have to turn this one public. Okay, so click public and then done. Now, in case that you have posted already and you want to change the privacy from friends to public, all you have to do is to click this three dots here and then click edit privacy. And then you have to look for public. Okay, so tap this three dots, go to edit privacy, and then you have to make sure that your post now is from friends or from only me or from friends of friends to public. So once you have switched or once you have changed the privacy from friends to public, what you're going to do here is you have to tap this three dots again. And this time, what you're going to do is to look for the option who can comment on your post. So if you tap this one right here, you have to choose friends and established followers. You can choose friends or profiles and pages you mentioned. For example, this one, and then click done. Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to open my other Facebook account and I'm going to view this account to see if I can still comment even if the post is public. So as you can see, it's public, but I can't comment on this post. And that's how easy it is to turn off comments on Facebook posts. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.